Hello and namaste everyone. So my life has been very peaceful since I realized this one truth about life. And before I share this truth, I want you to look at my other videos and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and you will find such videos that will not only change your life but will allow you to find peace within, and you will always feel ease within your life, and you will always find yourself in the present moment. So don't forget to watch my videos, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share with others as well, because these things are actually going to change the planet earth, a new earth which we are looking for. All right, so let's just start this video today. So the truth is very very simple, it's not complicated. And truth, it is not something I found it somewhere else. I found it within myself, and it is within you as well. And the truth is, life is always here and now. This moment, this present moment, for example, right now you're watching this video, this is where your life is, not in the next moment, not in the previous moment. Both of them are ultimately illusions. They mean nothing. They are just thought forms which is going inside of your mind. By right now, here now, when you're watching this video, that exactly where your life is. Life is not anywhere else, it is always here and now. So when I realized this reality of life, that life is always here now, and I also found myself that I was never present with life, and that only made my life more and more difficult, more and more, resistance. All the struggle, all the hard work ends when you simply surrender to the present moment. See, I'll show you how exactly how to live with the present moment. For example, right now I'm preparing this video on my YouTube channel, for my YouTube channel, on my video, on my mobile. So I'm simply preparing this video. I am not mentally being anywhere else. After 15-20 minutes, it will probably my lunch time. So when I will be having a lunch, that will be my present moment. So when I will be having a lunch, I will be completely into that activity. I won't be anywhere else. And that's exactly how it goes for other activities as well. If I'm driving a car, I'm simply driving a car. I don't have to be anywhere else. Why do I have to be anywhere else always? Because if I do, I'm only creating resistance with the life, and the resistance is going to make life difficult. You are never present with life, and you miss your life by living your life like that. So, no matter what your activity is, if you're involved in any work, be completely present in whatever you do, no matter what activity are you involved in. I can guarantee you, once you live your life like that, life will become like a play, because life is easier than what you think it is. It's only thoughts about life which makes life difficult. It's only when you are not in alignment with the now, life is difficult, because you are living in anticipation always. And by living in anticipation, you always make things difficult for yourself, and life is not going to respond to you. Universe is not going to respond to you as we are not living in the present. So I want you to remember this one thing: the life is always here and now. When you're watching this video, this is where your life is. After watching this video, you might be drinking a water, so that exactly where your life is. If you're having a water, simply have the water. Then you might be going without your friends, you might be having a date, it could be anything. That exactly where your life is. Be where you are. Life is very very simple. Only the mind and activities makes things complicated. So stop taking mind and its activities very seriously. Go out of your mind, be here and now completely. Life is very, very simple. And I can guarantee you, once you start living your life like that, universe is going to action you, universe is going to support you and your actions. Because universe can only respond to you now. It cannot respond to you in the future because there is no future. So be where you are. Life is very simple. Be where you are. Because life is here and now only. Sounds very simple. It might get difficult in the beginning. It might be challenging in the beginning because mind and body always, dragging you back in the anticipation. But bring your awareness being here now, and whatever you do it with complete awareness, and you will see, you will start living your life. You will not be living in survival. You will not be living inside of your mind. You start living your life. In order to live life, nothing is required. No thoughts are required. And you will always find yourself in the present moment. And when you are in the present moment, your life will manifest your highest good for you. So this truth about life is something I wanted to share with you today. So what is stopping you to live in the now? Get rid of that hurdle. And the hurdle is mind and activities. Let it be. Let mind say what it wants to say. Be here now. That's it. So this is all I want to share. Start practicing being in the now, and you will see your life will only get better and better. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share with others. And I hope you will like such videos. Thank you and namaste.